Hey boys, welcome back to another video CPI week. I'm going to tell you my exact plan on Bitcoin and show you how I'm going to trade this. So a little bit of recap. We did some pretty good trades last week. I'm pretty happy with the performance on this week's account, the 1K to $100,000 challenge. So 4-0 on this account. I gave you guys all of these setups. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video. And I do have some links below if you want to use Weeks, Coinflare, and Bybit. Awesome bonuses plus client funding if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital. We got some huge discounts right there. All right. So yeah, let's get into the video, boys. So looking at the calendar, we don't have anything today. So no news Monday. Usually on a no news Monday, it's either they're going to massively pump Nasdaq and ES or Bitcoin, or we're probably just gonna chop and wait for the PPI and CPI on Wednesday and Thursday. So my advice for today, just slow down, let the market, play out, let Monday play out, Monday fake out, like don't full port on a Monday. Just be patient because the real move's probably gonna happen around, Wednesday or Thursday and Friday. So we have a lot of big red folders going this week. And you know, Nasdaq and ES nearing at all-time highs. So this is gonna be a very interesting week. So I'm very excited to trade this. But to give you guys some local trades, the reason why Bitcoin is pumping right now because Michael Saylor bought some Bitcoins again, driving this pump right here because it's very obvious that on a weekend institutions stop buying because institutions are closed on weekends. So after the weekend, you're going to the Monday, most institutions buy. That's why you get some volume again. But I was um kind of confused, like why we didn't drop on that. Like yes, we did drop significantly, but I really wanted to like a massive flush to finally take out this poor lows right here. If you can see all the, on all the exchanges and even on CME futures, we've left like a bunch of poor lows below. So I really thought Friday would be like a massive sell off. But no, we just held. And then going to the weekend, we did have a quick flush, but you can see that, there's not enough sell pressure to bring this down because my guess is people are actually holding and probably waiting for that. People are actually holding and buying because they want to wait for the CPI and the rate cuts going to be happening in in the coming weeks. So it's kind of hard to trade this right now that we are in the middle or upper range of this. If this looks like a big range, we're probably at the premium right now, but I am still leaning more into shorts. To be honest, I have a short right here at 117K, 118K at the golden pocket from the all-time high to this low right here, and then a simple short setup from previous month open and a liquidity tap around here. So if we do take this buy sides right here or even here, but this will be the best short. So I might just scale in here or just, careful with this short because this might just rip up and go to all-time highs. All right. But I am still leaning into bearish mode just because we left some unfinished business below here. So I really want like a clean, clean like sweep of these lows and then maybe even this liquidity or right here, So this would be like in a perfect world, like we would get a massive sell-off flush down, and then this would be like our swing longs right here, or even here somewhere in this single prints, finally clean this up. A lot of people would short here and then we pump. So it is a very interesting setup right here now that we're actually just in the middle. But if you guys really want to long this, I do have some setups at the point of control: daily open, weekly open, plus previous day EQ, and you got previous day low, um, previous day open. Is that, yeah, previous day open plus previous week EQ just down here below. So you could hold on, you could like do this something like this. So, or even like lower, like take out all the weekend traders right here, boom, and then pump. So that might be a nice setup, to be honest. So those are my setups locally for Bitcoin. Still the same plan. These are my swing longs if we ever do get a flush down, take this liquidity out right here. But if we don't tap this or SFP here, I'm feeling that we might actually get some support at the single prints right here. Like this might just do something like this, like that. So I'm gonna be watching this very, very close because I'm very interested. There might be actually a long right here because this is the golden pocket, golden pocket held. um so yeah, that those are my local trades for today. uh Boys, please don't forget to subscribe, and I do have some links below. Don't worry, I will keep you guys updated throughout the week. If you do want to get some real-time updates on my trades, please join my Telegram channel. Links all down below. All right, so yeah, that is it for this video, boys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.